Van Services of Bristol, commercial vehicle breaker. This is a Transit 2 litre YMF6. This engine has done 27,000 miles. This is how we supply our engines. When you are selling low mileage engines, we always supply them with injectors, turbo, fuel pump. This is because most engines are brought down by damage from ancillary. So if you'd like custom engines, Transit Mark 8s, any of the 2.2, 2 litre, we also do repairs. Cam belt failure, bottom end failure, injector pulling. If you have a custom that has a problem, then give us a call or try us out on our website www.vanservices.co.uk, alternatively 01179586262. Thanks for watching.